Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you how to stream on Discord so you can share your gameplay, videos, or anything on your screen with friends or your server members. Streaming on Discord is super easy, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start streaming, adjust your quality settings, and make the most out of Discord's Go Live feature. In this video, you'll learn how to start a Discord stream on PC, how to adjust stream quality settings, how to stream with or without Nitro, best practices to make your stream smooth and lag-free. Let's get started. Before we start streaming, let's go over the two main ways to share content on Discord. Go Live. This is for streaming games detected by Discord automatically. Screen Share. This lets you stream any app, window, or your entire screen. If you're streaming a game, Discord usually detects it and gives you a Go Live button. If you want to stream something else like a browser, a video, or an app, you'll use Screen Share. Let's go through both methods. First, let's stream a game that Discord automatically detects. Join a voice channel in any Discord server. Look for the Go Live button at the bottom left near your username. Click Go Live next to the detected game. Select your stream quality, resolution, and FPS. Click Go Live, and your game is now streaming. Now, your friends or server members can click on your name in the voice channel and watch your stream live. If Discord doesn't detect your game, or if you want to stream something else, follow these steps. Join a voice channel where you want to stream. Click the screen share icon at the bottom. Choose what to stream and open application, game, browser, software, etc. Your entire screen. Be careful not to share private info. Select your stream quality settings. More on this in the next step. Click Go Live, and now your screen is streaming. This method is great for streaming tutorials, coding, editing software, or watching videos together. Discord lets you choose your stream quality, but some options are locked behind Nitro. Here's what you need to know. Free Discord users can only stream in 720p resolution, with 30 FPS, frames per second. Discord Nitro users can stream in 1080p, 1440p, or 4K resolution, with 60 FPS for smooth gameplay. How to change stream quality. Before going live, select resolution, 720p, 1080p, or higher. Choose FPS, 30 or 60 FPS, and you're all set. If you don't have Nitro but want to improve stream quality, try closing background apps to reduce lag. To end your stream, simply click the Stop Streaming button at the bottom of your screen. Having issues with your stream? Try these fixes: low FPS or choppy stream. Close unused apps and check your internet. Audio not working? Make sure your input-output devices are set correctly in voice and video settings. Black screen while streaming? Try running Discord as administrator. These simple fixes can make sure your stream runs smoothly. And that's it. Now you know how to stream on Discord using both Go Live and Screen Share. Now, I want to hear from you. What are you streaming on Discord? Comment below. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more Discord tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.